Hello, everyone. This is another market moment with Randy Williams Gurian. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. I thought I'd record a video. The market's been struggling here. It is the fall. It is, the more volatile period for the market. September and October historically has been more volatile. And we really were overdue for a correction. A correction of 10% is not uncommon. Generally, it happens historically. It's happened about once a year. And we haven't had one in over a year. So again, it was long overdue. The question, though, when corrections come up for investors is, how do we navigate this? Do we know it's going to reverse? And we don't. But we will know something here with earnings that are going to come out in a couple of weeks. What companies say about the prospects going forward. And that's really, really important. And that can cause the correction to kind of move, stocks and investors to move away from the correction theme in the market. And that would be really helpful. And we'll know that again in a couple of weeks. Really, for a correction to turn into something worse, like a bear market, you need to have a real big dislocation in the economy. And that's possible that we have that with interest rates going up and inflation going up. But there's so many, and the debt ceiling, whether that's going to get rectified or not. So there's a lot of things out there that are causing consternation for investors. But I think what you really need to do here is have your shopping list. And when things like this happen, you need to be really grounded in your methodology and what you're going to do with your portfolio and try and take advantage of these corrections to add to your portfolio, especially if you have a 2 or 3 year time horizon. I think that's what makes the most sense. And that's how at least that's how I've been able to construct really solid strategies and portfolios for myself and for my clients. So again, I would be having a shopping list here. I would be taking advantage when some stocks on the NASDAQ are down over 20%. Again, it looks like a rotation into value. So you can kind of see how this plays out. And then you can devise your strategy. Where do you want to play? Do you want to be in the value? Do you want to be in the value names? Really, you need a balanced approach. You need exposure to all these areas, and then you don't have to think, oh, I should go buy a value stock. And I think the final point here, and I'm sorry the video is a little longer today, is just buy what you know and buy what you love. And that's really, really important, because when the market does do these sell-offs, you want to hold on to those stocks. You don't want to sell them. You just don't, because they're going to come back, especially if they're really good companies. So again, thanks for tuning in today. And I'll try and record these videos a little bit more often. Hopefully people find them helpful.